I mean, I finished all my water in the car, so I kind of ran out of supplies the whole time. But it's
I'm gonna
fine.
go up there and see what.
I like overfilled myself so much.
Excuse me, I wanna go look at my copper. I'm coming. I'm gonna try to get over here.
Dan, you know this mud is pretty soft actually.
Yeah,
It's clay.
it's clay.
Wait until you guys come back around again.
My sandwich was probably really squish.
Yeah.
Oh well.
There's some copper in there. Let's see if you can find it.
Is it that? Oh, is it good?
Yeah, great. Copper oxide. See what it is. See what it is.
Help, it's stuck.
I don't know, you guys can push it.
Asher, it's stuck.
You guys just exploring right now.
All right, David,
I don't know if I don't know if that.
look back at me, but don't look directly at me.
Turn off your light.
I want to see your face.
Nah, sure about that.
There we go.
Yeah, that's the same spot we came out on.
All right. I think I got a photo.
I mean, it's, you can, it's maybe.
What's the difference between caving and spelunking?
Look at it.
That's what I was saying. Keep it out. That's what I
That's a
was
good
saying,
question.
going really
Mister, I
slow.
forget.
Cavers,
I forget your
people
name
who do
already.
this
Alan.
regularly
Allen?
are usually call themselves cavers. You know. It's considered like a derogatory
Oh, really?
term. Yeah,
Oh.
Spelunking.
yeah. From some people consider it a derogatory term.
Really?
Mr. Allen?
Yeah.
Can
What?
I go through that little gap there, that like hole that goes down?
You can go through anything as long as it doesn't start going up.
All right, so we can go down.
Yes.
Hey, you guys wanna go look at this other terminal we didn't do?
There we go.
Which
Who
one?
is that? Oh, that's Robert.
That right there.
Did you get the camera to work?
Robert.
What's that?
Did you get the camera to work?
I switched GoPros.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you guys made a big circle.
We made a big
I gotta take that other one apart.
Yeah,
See
not
which
bad.
one.
Let's go look here.
Guys, let's go up here. Wait, no, Asher.
No, we're not allowed to go up.
No, don't go up. You are only allowed to go straight or down.
There's another path by Robert's foot.
I'll leave it.
I don't know.
No,
how
guys, leave your bags here. Leave your bags here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, should we leave our bags here?
Yeah,
you want
that's fine.
They look like-
You guys, hey, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
All right, so I want to just call something to your attention. At this point in the cave, we are essentially, and as we move along, we're always going to be about 20 minutes from an exit. So we can keep going. We don't want you ever to get too tired that you can't do that 20 minutes to get out. So at this point, we're kind of just explore, just don't worry about it. At this point, we're going to just keep exploring more of the cave and enjoying ourselves and enjoying being underground. But remember, there's always going to be that 20 minutes to get out. Wherever we happen to be, you're always, until we decide that we're leaving, it about 20 minutes to get out. Okay? So don't explore to exhaustion. You know, I personally, I'm just having a good time letting you guys do your thing and sitting down here. And you guys remember to just keep enjoying yourself, keep exploring, follow the directions from Alan, and you still got 20 minutes of climbing just to get out. All right? Does everybody understand what I just told you?
Yes.
This is all about being safe and challenging yourself by choice, but we don't want to push the limits. If you want to stop, and if you brought a snack and sit down, this is probably not a bad time to do that.
Yeah.
Make sure that you've drank some water.
Hydrate.
You got to drink before you're thirsty, actually.
The clean
It's
stuff
very hard to
feels
play
like it's
catch
digging
up.
into my shin.
If you don't have water, let me know. I have a spare bottle.
Can I take pictures? Or?
Yes, you may.
Yeah, that's tough.
Hosea, the issue with pictures is you don't want to be holding the camera while you're
Try.
trying to walk
that in,
through
see
the
if that-
cave. You're
It's
gonna
just really
stop
tight.
and take pictures, that's fine. Then put the camera away and continue on.
Hey guys, after
Yeah,
you
just-
guys want to go
Is that
through
better? Yeah,
that
that's a little bit better.
tight hole that
thank
Robert
you.
is laying
You're
next
welcome. Yeah, that,
Sure.
Just go do it.
a couple hours of that hurts.
Yeah, I need to kind of like.
I don't know if it was that tight
Take a
forever.
5-minute break. There's no
I think
rush
I
here.
tried to tighten it earlier, but
Yeah,
alright, thank you.
you're welcome.
Inside the cave, guys. 3, 2, 1.
Keys.
That's gonna bother me.
I would like to try climbing up. Okay, you need a spotter? You can do it.
There you go.
I'm just gonna take it 2 minutes.
Did you guys figure out how to come out this hole up here, or anybody go in this hole up here and come out up top?
No.
No. Okay.
The one all the way down?
This one right here. Yeah,
we
right.
went through
Where's my pointer?
We went through a really tight one.
A really tight one?
Extremely tight.
There.
almost got stuck.
That hole right there.
Yeah, I tried to, but it was too
Oh,
tight
I
for
went.
me.
Oh, we
It's
went
too
through-
tight
we
for
went
you?
through that.
Okay.
We went through that.
Yeah.
You did? Okay. Cool.
You what?
So good.
I just finished my one.
That one was so tight and so
Alright.
fun. I was going with Robert.
Let's go to Robert.
What's that?
Leave your bag here.
Dried fruit.
Oh, right
You want a piece?
Beef stick?
Sure.
Oh yeah, can I have a piece?
Can you feed me?
Thanks.
I know. Can I just have a 10 piece?
It's got a nice texture to it.
Thank you.
If anybody's close by me and you'd like a piece of dried fruit, you're welcome to one.
Tried what? Wait, what?
Dried fruit.
Oh, yes.
I don't know.
Yes.
You gotta come to me, I'm not coming to you. Take your gloves off.
What's the name of?
It's fruit.
So can this be used for
Anybody else want
pottery
one?
clay?
Beef, water, salt,
Yeah.
corn syrup.
Yeah.
Would they come here to use it, or is this just a walking around kind of cave?
Yeah, just walking around kind of cave. There are caves. There is a cave in Virginia that has a huge room.
Lori?
What's it called? I think it's called Hollywood or something like that. And there's a lot of sculptures in there. People, I mean, like big
Smell it?
stuff. And it's
Oh, nice.
really pretty.
Yeah, ready?
Some of them are really cool looking.
If I ever do any other caving kind of stuff, I think it would be really cool to go to like one of those caves that have like a spring or like vegetation or whatever.
No, no.
What type of beef is it?
Yeah,
It's not beef, this is fruit.
No, no, no.
this cave
Oh,
is
it's
close
not
enough to
big
the
there?
surface. We get roots,
Oh.
Yeah.
and then we'll see roots when we get down that way.
Robert, be ready to bail.
Nope, you're on your own. All right. Not bad.
How we doing, guys?
Good.
Everybody's doing good?
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
No, you can't.
I'm going to tell you options of where we're going
Guys.
next.
All right.
Okay? While you're eating and hydrating. This hallway here that I'm sitting in, and I'm facing down this way. Okay? The next hallway to the left.
Hey, guys, everybody just stop for a
I
second.
know, I can't see that one.
Yeah, me either.
I think you need to just be able to listen more
Just
than-
listen, you'll be able
Just
to tell
stop for a second
when we
and
get here.
listen to Alan.
The hallway to my left, there's another one over there, okay? And there's several ways to get over to that hallway. There's the easy way, which is right here. That I need my pointer again. That this is the easy way that you can go up in and get up into the next hallway. Down further, you see this little hump here? Just past that hump, there is a hole on the left side. I call it the rabbit hole. It's about this big around, okay? It's only about that far. And I just dive through head first.
Will we go to Wonderland?
And yeah,
And then
it does.
And then are you in like a big room after that?
Then after that is a big hallway. Yes, it's called Hanging Rock Hall. And it's because there's these rocks that just hang from the ceiling. And then if you go even further down there, there's another hole on the left-hand side that's called keyhole. The keyhole. And it looks like an old-fashioned keyhole. You know what that is? It's round at the top, and then it comes and it gets skinny and it goes down. And that's a fun one to climb through because you go in and then up. It doesn't just go through, okay? And if you want to do that one, which I recommend you try at least, let me get on the other side first so I get video of you coming out.
For what? That
So
no
that-
one?
For the one at the keyhole, so that you have proof that you did it, okay? Because then I'll have video and pictures of you guys climbing through that,
So easy.
okay?
No rush.
I don't know.
Take a break.
Wait, we're not going anywhere yet, guys.
Yeah, we know.
But this is the easy way. The next one's,
Middle.
it's not bad, not bad. I go through it pretty quickly. And the keyhole, I don't fit.
You can't unlock it?
Hmm?
You can't unlock the keyhole?
No, I can't unlock the keyhole. I like that. Who can unlock the keyhole?
Sounds like I'm not gonna fit either.
Is it like really tight?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Then I probably won't be able to get through either.
It would be tight on
This
you.
is where we came out.
It is tight.
Because the it's a big mess.
I can't believe we actually squeezed through here.
Did you guys go through that?
Yeah, we
I didn't see you do it.
What? Yeah, we did it. We went through it. We all did. We went in
Is
a
that the
circle.
keyhole?
We went through there.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can vouch for them.
Okay,
Do it again!
all
All right,
right.
let's do it again,
No,
guys.
no.
Can I go up here?
You know something,
Yeah.
guys?
Whose bag, is this your bag?
I
Yeah,
think
that's
you
right.
all
Okay, keep it with you.
If there's no photographic evidence,
There's no
it really doesn't exist.
It didn't happen.
There is a photograph in my mind.
That doesn't count.
To me, it does. And that's
We
all that
went through it,
matters.
though.
No, not like that.
Can we keep
I
going
can
now?
do it again.
You know the truth.
Exactly.
Are we able
A scout
to
is
keep going?
trustworthy. You guys should
Right,
believe me.
that's
You
right.
can do it again.
See, it's because you have the form in your hand and I was soft, man.
Yeah, we came through
I know,
before.
huh? Here.
Are we able to keep
Okay,
going?
does anybody want to go look at and try the keyhole?
Yes.
All right, then I have to go into Hanging Rock Hole and look at and watch you from the other side. Now, if you want to go
Wait,
find
wait,
it,
Wait.
Let me go, because I'm not gonna do the keyhole.
I'll go to the
So I'll follow you
okay.
to the hanging rock.
I'll go to the bunny hole and follow them through the keyhole.
When I get there, you'll know because you'll be able to see my light coming through the hole.
So,
Okay?
hold up,
So,
guys.
go ahead.
Wait, no. You still someone wants to come with you, so you gotta wait. David, hurry up, finish your pants. Everyone can go rolling.
No, you could have just came over here.
No, I want to try coming up. That's the keyhole out
We're
there.
both with you.
Can I go sit up there? Can I sit there?
Where's your buddy?
Right there.
Stay with your buddy.
David, are
You're
you?
okay. If you go down into a deep dip, you went too far.
Dip.
Okay, I'm gonna go through the rabbit hole because that's fast.
Which rabbit is this?
One behind you.
This one. That's the one we're going through?
That's the rabbit hole. Go down further is the keyhole.
Okay.
Do you want to do the keyhole?
If we go through the keyhole, will we be able to see the Hanging Rock Hall?
Yeah, they all lead the same place. The keyhole is the smaller one. Keyhole's the
This
tighter one.
This one or this one?
No, go down.
Through the
This
rabbit
one.
hole.
Go down this,
We'll
and
tell
then
you where
look
to stop.
to your left. Look to your left, and you'll see a hole. Right there.
Bunny comes out the hole, goes around the tree.
And back
That's
down the
the-
hole.
that's-
Another
low
time the
line
tree
on.
grows.
I'm at the tip.
Okay, then go down the dip and look to your left.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
So just wait until we're there.
Is that the rabbit hole there? Dan, which way did that go? Right?
I'm following out. They went straight.
Yeah. That's my sound.
Whew. You coming through this way? There we go. Joe, are you following me?
Oh, Eli, we can definitely go through this. Yeah.
Okay, let me get my...
Oh, I made it
See the
through.
hanging rock.
Okay, hold on. Don't go through yet.
All right, now I need to come up.
Just wait.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I come up?
That's upside down. Hold on.
Wow.
Okay.
Come.
Come on through. Do you want to get up here and see him? You can get on the other side of this. Actually, I can get over there. Make it easier.
Okay.
Through.
Very good.
Woo!
You did that quick. Okay.
Wait,
You can go to your right.
not through. Somebody's gonna have to throw my bag up.
Yeah, you'll have to reach down and grab it from him too.
All right.
Asher, look at me.
He's right behind you.
I got it.
All right, so go down behind Alan. And wait for the group.
Scoop right under my arm. Very good. You
Who's
guys,
next?
That's mine. Can you please give it to me?
I'll bring it up to you. It's hard just to squeeze through that first part because of that rock.
yeah. You see how close we are to the surface here? We've got roots, tree roots.
Hopefully I don't get booted, bro, because this is right in front of my face.
Take your time.